Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert Ethereum to Bitcoin and Trust Wallet. But before anything else, I just want to tell you that I am not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This is for educational purposes only, so please do your own research. To start, you need to launch or open your Trust Wallet on your device. Make sure you have Ethereum in your wallet. Right here, you can go to Crypto. Now, tap on Ethereum. Make sure also that you have enough balance to swap to Bitcoin. Don't forget to leave a little extra Ethereum in your wallet to cover network fees. Otherwise, your swap might fail. Now here below, you can see different options, such as send, receive, swap, buy, and sell. You have to tap on the swap. This section lets you exchange one crypto for another directly inside Trust Wallet. In From, you have to search for Ethereum, and then To, you have to search for Bitcoin. Sometimes Trust Wallet may not show Bitcoin directly, because Ethereum and Bitcoin are on different blockchains. This is normal and not a mistake. If you can't find it right here, then what you're going to do, because in most cases, Trust Wallet may not support a direct Ethereum BTC swap, since they are on different blockchains. If that's the case, you have to proceed with the OR alternative method. You have to tap on @the-swap cross-chain transfer. So as you can see here, there is this Ethereum and BTC. And all you need to do is to enter in the amount of Ethereum you want to swap into BTC. Review the details carefully, and then you will see your swapper fee provider. Tap Confirm to start the transaction. Wait for the blockchain to process the swap. It can take a few minutes depending on the network. Always verify the network and addresses carefully. Using the wrong chain can result in permanent loss of crypto. If this helped you, consider subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We share more crypto tips and step-by-step tutorials every week.